Alright, it's time for a challenge, and this one is way overdue. So let's see if I can make a crypto trading bot, and let's see how much money I can make in a week. Alright, so I'm gonna write a program that buys and sells cryptocurrencies for me, and then I'm gonna give it $1,000 and leave it to trade unsupervised for a week. Because, you know, no one remembers a coward. This could actually become a real-life infinite money cheat code. Well, that's the goal at least. It could also drain me of every single dime I've ever earned. But first, we need a strategy to make sure that I don't go completely bankrupt. Now, trading strategies have a reputation for being very complex and difficult to wrap your head around, but not this one. Let me explain. To create an infinite money glitch, here's what you'll need. A basic misunderstanding of the most simplistic trading strategy out there. Got it? Good. Next, you'll need to show that you understand some complex arithmetics. Now, all you'll need is 15 to 20 years of working experience with programming. Do I really? No, of course not. That would be stupid. Anyway, now let's build it. So for this test, I put in $10, and what we ended up with after the test was $9.98. So we lost a couple of cents, but like no big surprise there really. But looking at the trades, it actually looks really legit, which is why I'm pretty surprised about that, and like it looks like it's actually working. So now let's give it all my money and leave it unsupervised for a week. What could go wrong? Alright, so it's been a week now. So now let's take a look and see how much this week actually cost me. I basically say what the current balance is and then add that to a JSON file here. And that is what we're seeing right now. So here we can see the first day. And on the first day we ended at $1,009.8. And that's actually really good. That's 1% increase for the first day. So I would say I'm pretty happy about that. Now let's take a look at the next day. So the second day, we only lost about 0.1%, which is really fine. Like that's a really good loss. If you're gonna lose something in the stock market or like trading things, if you can keep that as like the highest amount that you'll lose, then you'll be pretty good. So day number 3, we actually again made some money. So about 0.1%, again, not a big deal, but now we're at $1,009.5. So still is not draining my account, so I'm pretty happy. So now let's move on to day number 4. Day number 4, we almost made 1% again. So this is now at $1,018.6. Again, pretty much like the previous trading bot that I made. I'm just gonna be happy as long as I don't lose too much of my money. And I'm really I'm surprised that I haven't made any mistakes. I just made it like I said at the start, like drain my entire account in a couple seconds. So that's pretty good. Now let's take a look and reveal the final result for the final day, day 5. Okay, so day 5, we ended at $1,016.9. So we lost a little bit of money from the previous day, but overall we still gained about 1.7% in 5 days. If you would plot that out over a longer period of time, that would be really, really good.